Hey YouTube, here it is again, 2014 now. Another whole stash to go over. I'll start here with the artillery. I got a case of the USA double brakes, case of the FX Comet, no, 2 cases of that, 2 cases of the 3 Amigo triple bangers, case of the Eternity canister, the small canister shells, empty boxes. This is that new Mammoth artillery. It's a 60-gram eggshell instead of the canisters. Let's see if you can see. It's supposed to be more symmetrical brakes, more big round circles defined. They're alright. Dominator brand. I got 3 cases of exterminators so far. That's 12 boxes. I've got another 6 cases on standby at the warehouse. I got 5 cases of Roman candles. Gotta love those Roman candle barrages. Case of this Rowdy Rampage, pack 24-1. It's a crackle cake. I use it in the crackle segment. I got a case of this Comet Crash 200 grammer, case of Wild West, case of Mobile Menace, case of Silver Screen, and there's assortment there. Some of my guns. Got some of the stuff loaded already. Leftover shells from last year. Got a few left over. I got all them. There's 120 tubes over there already loaded up with exterminators and Excals, all 60-gram canisters. And I guess I'll end this video with the wall of 500 grammers. It's not very many so far. I've still got 5 different cakes that I'm buying, 2 cases each of. So there should be another 20 cakes added at least. But I got 2 cases of this War and Peace. I love that cake. 2 cases of Cock and Fire. 2 cases of Agent Orange. 2 cases of Viper, 2 cases of Mammoth Brocade. I got 3 cases of the Mammoth Crackle, 2 cases of the Mammoth Strobe, 2 cases of Trail of Tears, 2 cases of this Meltdown. It's a good cheap cake. 2 cases of Hit the Road Jack. I've still got 2 cases of Super Stunt, 2 cases of Cowboy, 2 cases of Highfalutin, and probably another 2 or 3 cases of the Mammoth stuff to go. I've still got a lot more to spend, a lot more trips to the warehouse. So that's just a little bit of where I'm at right now. It's going to be another huge year. I get to do the show twice this year. Hopefully no rain on the 4th. Pray no rain. Anyway, take care YouTube. Rate, subscribe, do all the goodies. Catch you on the next update.